Hello everyone. Today's topic is exponent. In this chapter we will discuss how to represent a number in exponential form and what are the rules and what are the laws of exponent. So first we will start from exponent. What is an exponent? See, an exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Okay. See, 7 is multiplied by itself as 4 times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 is multiplied by 7. How many times? 4 times. So we will write this number like this, 7 to the power 4. Okay. Because why power 4? Because 7 is multiplied by 4 times. If 7 is multiplied by 5 times, then power 5. Okay. See here. 7 is multiplied by 7. So 7 is the base. This part 7, this is the base. And this is power or exponent. See, this 4 is known as index or power or exponent. One more thing, how to read this number. How to read 7 raised to the power. See, we can read this number like this, 7, because this power is raised. So 7 raised to the power 4. Okay. Or we can read this number like this, 7 to the power 4. Okay. Now 7 to the power 4, this is the exponential form. Okay. Now one activity for you that will help you to understand the exponent and power, and this activity is known as paper folding activity. So because paper folding, so we need one paper. This is a paper. Okay. Now you can check this paper, which shape is this? This is a rectangular shape. So how many rectangles are there? Only one rectangle is. And how many folds? No fold. No fold means when 0 fold, then only one rectangle is there. Okay. Now when we fold this paper, then size is decreases, but number of rectangles are increases. How many folds are there? Only one fold. This is for fold. And how many rectangles are there? You can see 1, 2 rectangles. Okay. Now we fold this paper once again. See. So how many folds are there? 2. Now count the rectangles. Size is decreased, but number of rectangles are increases. See. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 rectangles. Now, when we fold this paper once again, if 3 times, then how many rectangles are there? You can check. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can check by open it, see, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 rectangles. Similarly, when we fold this paper 4 times, then how many rectangles are there? Find it. Okay. You will find. Now, in the form of exponent or power, how to write these numbers? So, if 0 fold, see, then one rectangle. So, in this case, we will take 2. So, here 2 to the power 0. I will tell why 2 to the power 0. Because if power is 0, then value always 1. That's why 2 to the power 0. Now if 1 fold, then how many rectangles? 2. So we will write 2 to the power 1. Because we are writing the number in exponent or power form. 2 to the power 1 means 2 is only multiplied by 2 only 1 times. Then 2. Now if 2 fold, then how many? 4. So 4 can be write like this. 2 to the power 2. So 2 multiplied 2. 2 to the 4. That's why 2. Okay. Now you can check power is as folds. So if 3, then 2 to the power 3. You can multiply 2 as 3 times. 2 to the 4 to the 8. Clear? Now if 4, then 2 to the power 4. Okay? Simple. Now the topic is how to write a number in exponential form. See, few examples are there. You can check by these example. So first example is 81. convert or write this number in exponential form, so we will use a prime factorization method. Prime factorization means we will divide this number by prime number. See, 3, because this is divisible by 3, so 3 to the 6 and 3 7 are 21. Now again by 3, 3 9s are 27, again by 3, 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 81, we will find the factors of this number. So factor of 81 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 81 can be expressed like this, 3 to the power 4. Why power 4? Because 3 is multiplied by itself as 4 times. Okay. Now another example, 125. Similarly, we will find the factors of 125 by prime factorization method. So 125 is divisible by 5. So factors of 125 are 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 is multiplied by itself as 3 times. So power is 3. Okay. Another example, 64. Same, we will find the factors of 64. See, number is divisible by 2. So we will find the factors of 2 like this. Factor of 64 by 2. So 64 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 64 is 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is the exponential form of 64. Okay. Now one more question. Find the values of exponential form. How to find the answer, the value of exponential form? See, these examples are there. First, 5 raised to the power 3. So we will multiply 5 as 3 times because power is 3. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. This is the answer. Now 3 to the power 4. So 3 is multiplied by itself as 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. Okay. Another 2 to the power 3. So 2 is multiplied by 2 as 3 times. 2 multiplied 2, 2s are 4, 2s are 8. This is the answer. Okay. Another example, if question is this and asking about write this number in exponential form. So how to write? It is very simple to write. We will write this number as the power of 10. If you are asking about write this number as the power of 10, so we will count the zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 raised to the power 5. Okay. If after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 0. So we will write this number in exponential form like this. 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. This is the exponential form of 10. I think it is very clear and easy concepts.